Hello everyone, Instagram10 here. Welcome back to another video. Today the topic is every filmmaker should have one of these in their bag. And what is it that I'm talking about? It's this little device here. This is called the Godox LED M32, and what it is a portable LED light. Now you might think it looks tiny, but this thing packs a punch for such a small little device. It's very bright and you can actually adjust the brightness on it as well. And the best thing is it's rechargeable. It has a little USB slot in it so that you can recharge it whenever you need. So no fiddling around with batteries or anything like that. You can just charge it on the go, whatever you need to do. It has a little clip as well so that you can clip it on to different areas. You can clip it onto the back of your phone if needs be, or you can clip it if you're using the GoPro. You can clip it on with your GoPro and provide it with a source of light. As you can see at the moment, I'm not very well lit, and that's for a very good reason. I want to actually demonstrate just how bright this light is. So I'm just going to turn it on now just so you can see. Now you can't change the color temperature, but that's not the end of the world. It is quite a good light, and you can dim it to whatever strength of light that you want. It's actually great for lighting scenes when you don't have enough light and you need a portable light source and you don't have like one of those big massive light boxes. So just to demonstrate, I'm going to light myself with this light, and just to show you exactly how well it works. So this is me just holding the light underneath my face. It is on the strongest brightness and it's kind of dazzling me, so I'm going to turn it down. So that's it on its lowest. But you can get some really nice lighting with this. I know I probably look ridiculous with the light shining underneath my face, but I will set it up just to put some extra light onto me, just so you can see exactly how it works. So you can see now that the light is shining directly on my face. I have some light coming from this side, and I have some light coming from this side, and it does make the scene an awful lot brighter, which is exactly what it's used for. You can also use it as a backlight as well if you've got a background behind you and you want to maybe draw a little bit of attention, or just have a small light source behind you in your background. It's definitely good for that as well. Another function that you can use it for is if you just throw it into your kit bag. It's so small that if you're out and about at night time, maybe taking shots, and you need to see into your kit bag, just grab it and throw it on. The light source is so bright that you'll be able to see everything within the bag. Camping as well, hiking at night time if you're into hiking at night. I mean, the uses for this are pretty much endless. There's so many possibilities and scenarios that you could use this light in, which is just brilliant. I bought mine from Amazon and it runs about 20-ish pounds. I'm not entirely sure, I can't exactly remember, but it's around about £20. So I'm not entirely sure what that is in dollars, maybe about $30, maybe less, $25 to $30. I'll leave a link in the description below just so you can have a look for it yourself. It will be a link to the amazon.co.uk marketplace, but you can always go to the link and then swap over to the .com marketplace as well. So I'm sorry that I haven't been able to post the video on Monday as intended. What happened was I actually was waiting for this product to arrive before I did a review on it, and it got delayed, so it didn't get here until today, which is pretty annoying. And also, just to compound that, Peter McKinnon released a video yesterday, not for this product but for the Aperture version. It's an updated version of the Aperture portable LED system, so go check his video out. I promise I'm not copying him. I had ordered this last week and it did get delayed and didn't arrive until today. So that's it from me, guys. A quick video today. Just wanted to let you know about this product. I'm not sponsored or anything. I didn't receive this for free. I did pay for it, but it's such a great little product that I did think that it was worth making a video on it, just to inform everybody and show you how good it can be and how useful it can be. So make sure to leave a like, hit that thumbs up button if you did find this video useful. If you haven't subscribed already, please make sure you subscribe and click the notification button, that little bell icon as well, just so you get alerted every time I put up a new video. As I said, video schedule is Monday and Friday. I know today is Wednesday, but that's due to unforeseen circumstances, but I will have another video up on Friday, so make sure you keep your eyes open for that as well. But that's it from me, guys. This has been Instagram10. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.